Network impact. The virtuous feedback loop. The opportunity to earn network fees and inflation rewards incentivizes developers to build on Archway. As each new dApp and library is launched atop the network, more users and new assets follow. In turn, this growth attracts more developers who want to leverage those users and assets. This feedback loop can draw in more developers, more users, more liquidity, and more dApps, creating a flywheel effect that continually drives the utility and value of the underlying protocol. Sustainable open source development. Open source software for dApps is very different from traditional open source software. Unlike traditional open source software, smart contracts are immutable, meaning that the code doesn't have to be continuously updated or tightly maintained. One well-deployed, composable financial primitive can generate recurring fees to supplement a developer's income and business model for however long the contracts are utilized. A key benefit of building on the Archway protocol is the ability for developers to tap directly into protocol funding for their work, without having to rely solely on a business model of their own. Since network fees and rewards are shared with dApp developers, they can earn recurring streams of revenue and use the funds to pay the core team and continuously develop future versions of their dApp. Validators' point of view. Though validators share fees and rewards with dApps, the network distribution model is designed for sustainable long-term growth. In essence, validators forego a portion of rewards in order to attract more builders to the network. More developer activity means more end-user adoption and usage, which ultimately drives volume and value to the network and validators themselves over time. Burning versus redistributing tokens. The difference between burning tokens as implemented in Ethereum Improvement Proposal EIP-1559 and distributing rewards to dApp developers on Archway was evaluated in depth. However, the Archway protocol that continuously redistributes network fees back into the community is a more sustainable approach. There are merits to EIP 1559's potentially deflationary impact that could increase scarcity and therefore push the price of Ether. However, that benefit might translate to even more expensive gas fees, which risks pricing out developers and further complicating the user experience. The Archway protocol is designed to support and attract builders by incentivizing and supporting developers through continuous rewards generated directly by the protocol itself.